Hi there! Do you want to do ministry work but don't know how to earn money doing that? In this video, we're going to share with you a wonderful business that can help you work online and earn money. This is Sarah. I'm Colin. Ordinary people just like you, and we're out here enjoying the wonderful weather that the Lord has made.
Yeah, we're so grateful because of the sunshines. There's so many blessings that the Lord has blessed us with. Looking at this, our backyard, looking at the beauty that God has created, and also the opportunities that He always gives unto us. Not too long ago, we were listening to gospel music on social media, and we came across an ad from a couple that is running a successful online business. We were intrigued by their story, and their story related to us on how they have been able to pay off their consumer debt, support ministry work, support their family and relatives, and even travel the world. With no hesitation, we clicked the Learn More button. We signed up to the workshop, the same workshop that we are inviting you to attend, and the rest is history.
Yes. Now, this is not any normal business. It's a business where we encourage and help each other, and we build each other up. Now, if you're someone who's coachable and you need change, click the link below, sarahkarayuki.net.
I signed up with my email address. I started a business by watching the 90-minute virtual seminar on how to do it, and now I'm in.
I can now give my family the quality time and the quantity of time they deserve.
Now we're spending more time together as a family. We've been able to travel 3 times in the last year.
This business has supplemented our family resources, and I'm so grateful we now have a plan B.
What I love in this business is I have no boss and I don't have to set an alarm for the next day.
And it's portable.
I can be on a date, on a trip, or celebrating my mom's birthday and still seeing results from my business.
This business is really changing life, family, and it is global.
What we love about this digital business is the complete system that they provided for us.
The support, the positive support in the community, and the coaching and mentoring.
I love the fact that you learn so much from this digital business.
And most of the heavy lifting is done for you.
I am not afraid because I know I'm secured.
Click the link, sign up with your name and email address. We are going to send that information to you. If you're someone who is coachable, who is willing to grow, who is willing to see a change in your life, maybe you're looking for a side hustle, you're looking to supplement your income, you're looking to do something on the side which will be temporary and then later it can become permanent, that you can do it full time. Click the link below. Sign up with your email address. We are going to send you all this information. Come see people like you and I, people all over the world who are doing this business. You can do this business from the comfort of your home. You can do this business during your free time. You can do this business even in the evening when you're preparing dinner for your family. So put your name and email address, and we are going to send you that information. Click the link.
See you on the inside.
See you on the inside. Bye.